Gonski. Oh, me.
Seems like a gold medal effort needed to get between here and the road though. Welcome to ADV HQ, and who have we got here? We have another Hilux. This one's a bit cleaner than the other one. Oh, that's a perfect embankment, isn't it?
It is. It just makes it so much easier.
Nice. Tell us about your bike. What have we got here?
Oh, 2007 WR450. It's got very low Ks on it.
Ooh, race weapon.
Beauty.
2007, so it's still more modern than a DRZ.
Is it something like that? You're the DR, is it?
DRZ's 2018, but it's really a 2000 model.
Oh, yeah, they haven't changed since. Like an XR650.
I'll be lucky to keep up with you, I reckon, today.
Nah, mate. It's been a long time. It's been a long time for me.
It's good fun.
So we'll see what nature we can find and tear it up.
Alright, here we are. And a little bit of a track. All new to me and Mick, especially Mick. This one's a new one for me though. Mick's definitely a better rider than me again as well, as I've said previously and openly. I got no doubts I'm the worst in the group. That's alright. That's the way to do it. You in front, mate. I don't want to slow you down.
Okay. Should we try to go a bit deeper in rather than back out towards the road?
Yeah, up to you, mate. I'm happy to follow now.
Yeah,
holy.
That's steep.
Oh, this will be my biggest descent. There you go, hangers, aren't I? Still coming. Whoa. This is a bit gnarly for me. Oh.
You can hear his tyres scraping down.
That was a bit gnarly for me, man.
Yeah, I know.
Even just a downhill.
I got me by surprise. So I was like, oh yeah, here we go, and it just kept getting steeper and steeper.
It was one of the hangers at one point there, eh?
Yeah, I know, I was struggling, don't worry. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. It just turned into that, eh? Keep cruising.
You know that.
Go on, keep. Right, up there, if you can. I took a wrong line.
We'll help you up first. I was just saying at the bottom. Oh! Jeez, watch out. Jeez, I could see this thing going.
Yeah, let's hope I didn't break my hangers.
Oh, yeah, she gets a bit gnarly,
Yeah. I skipped from there to there.
There'd be no grip, man, as well.
Yeah.
You fall in one of these ruts, in all sorts of shit, eh? Hang on, I'll try and help guide down. What am I doing?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go! Yep, go.
Legend.
Didn't get the clutch in.
Man, well done.
This wasn't hard, really. Just
Mate, you did the hard work. Well done, man. I'll count those as made it. So we're going to go try and find some chocolatey coloured tracks. Get away from this shaly stuff. Find a bit of lantana. Bloody hell. Never-ending hills out here. Oh, holy bloody hell. It seems like a gold medal effort needed to get between here and the road though. Hey, you know how you said you wanted to go with the beater? Yeah. I reckon now's a perfect opportunity for you. Oh, f***ing hell. This does not feel safe at all. Oh man. Oh. I wasn't meant to do that. I might just bring it into that rut. Now. Oh, dear me. I'll just roll. Even this bit. Don't know if my back wheel's going to fall in that. No, I can feel it sliding. Oh my goodness. I'm a bit buggered after those hills. No excuses, eh? Just enjoy the ride. Beautiful.
This part of the video neither GoPro were on, but we did find a bit of a teaser of some nice tight single trail. Although a short trail, it again ended with a near vertical exit with a couple of tree root step ups that were a bit outside my skill set. But Mick hit it with a bit more momentum and commitment and made it without issue. This first part of the ride was some unexpected hill descents and climbs that I found quite tricky. Will be good to see if I can show some improvement on these attempts in the coming months or years. Check out the follow-up vid of this ride where we found a proper single trail and follow it for its majority. It ends with another challenging hill climb where the tables turn a bit for a change. Thanks for watching, Sir Unconus, and take it easy. Cheers, hooroo.